The Indian rupee plunged to a fresh all-time low of 91 rupees and 14 pies against the US dollar on Tuesday, December 16th, 2025, depreciating by 36 pies during afternoon trade. This marked the fourth straight session of record lows, driven by relentless outflows from foreign institutional investors (FIIs) and growing doubts over a potential India-US trade agreement. As global markets grapple with geopolitical tensions and shifting trade dynamics, the currency's slide signals deeper vulnerabilities in India's external balances. Key drivers behind the rupee's depreciation. FIIs have been net sellers of Indian equities and debt for weeks, offloading over $2.5 billion in assets since early December amid rising US bond yields and a stronger dollar index. This capital flight has intensified pressure on the rupee, which has weakened by nearly 5% year to date. Uncertainty surrounding the India US trade deal exacerbates the situation. Negotiations aimed at reducing tariffs and boosting bilateral trade to $500 billion by 2030 have stalled over issues like agricultural subsidies, digital taxes, and market access for US firms. The hidden victims, black money holders, silently hit hardest. While salaried workers, importers, and tourists lament rising costs for iPhones, study abroad fees, and foreign vacations, a surprising group bears the brunt without public complaint: those laundering black money through overseas channels. Hawala operators, money launderers, and black money holders, often elite insiders, have long relied on foreign education, emigration, property buys, and luxury trips to whiten untaxed wealth. A depreciating rupee erodes their purchasing power abroad, turning hoarded rupees into diminished dollars or euros. Consider these impacted profiles: Bollywood heirs and celebrities, children of superstars, like those in high profile cases, e.g., Aryan Khan's circle, planning Ivy League studies or LA mansions. A 91 rupee means their 10 crore gift now buys 10% less in New York real estate. Political and bureaucratic offspring, kids of MLAs, MPs, IAS, IPS officers eyeing permanent residency in Canada or the UK. Immigration visas and settlement costs have surged 20% in rupee terms since September. Retired elites and industrial families, aging Bollywood icons, or business dynasties under scrutiny from income tax raids, or ED probes use offshore trusts and foreign pensions. Families preemptively shifting assets abroad now face steeper conversion losses. These groups boast domestic luxuries, private jets, farmhouses, but crave quality of life abroad: unpolluted air, elite schools, and anonymity from Indian scrutiny. Yet, with the rupee's 15% drop from pre COVID levels, their black to white pipelines clog. Hawala rates, already at a 5 to 7% premium over official forex, spike further, squeezing margins. Ironically, compliant taxpayers benefit relatively. Salaried hikes and gold loans hold value domestically while these silent players watch their global dreams deflate.